We're coming up to, I think it's called Gulfoss waterfall. Look how amazing this waterfall is. Look at that. Let's get a closer look there. Right up to the edge. Wow. That's pretty cool. We'll zoom in a little bit. Oh, there you see that? Okay, I'm walking down this path over here to get a little closer look at the falls. Got some more distance to close, but thought I'd get a little video here. Look at this mist just coming straight up there. Kind of sad, there's such a steep cliff on our side, you can't really see it. As you get over here, looks like the path is very misty and very wet. So that's why I thought I'd come over here and get some video before I get over there and get soaking wet. But look at the size of that falls, that's pretty amazing. I like that. And just look at that really tight canyon that goes down there and between the rocks. Oh, getting covered with mist now. Ha. Fresh Icelandic waterfall mist. Quite refreshing. Ooh, look at the view. I can feel it on the back of my head. Man, it's like it's raining. Crazy. Oh, look at that. The mist is so strong you can't even see down to the bottom. Look at all, oh, you can finally see down the canyon a little bit there. Yeah, you can finally see down the canyon a little bit there. Look at that. Look at all that mist. That's some powerful waterfall behind me. I like that. Pretty cool. Yeah, you get it right up to the edge and all that water must be creating a huge updraft of air popping across there. It's really windy right here on the edge. Look at all that mist coming out of the waterfall. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Whoa! Coming up to the top. These rocks are pretty jagged to walk on. But look at the view you get once you get up here. Look at that. That's upstream from the falls. Look at all that water coming across here. Pretty amazing. Just beware if you come up here though. These rocks here are slippery, jagged, very uneven. So you gotta be careful when you're walking across them, that's for sure. But the view is definitely worth it. No No, it's not raining. That's just all the mist. Got me soaked. So it's wet over there, that's for sure. But it's a great view. Totally worth it. 100% worth it. I'd do it again. But the rest of the family's up in the car, so I can't stay too long. Bye-bye, Falls.